Hello guys, so with this video I'm gonna showcase a bit of Leatherface gameplay. I'm recording this short intro because during the game I forgot to do it. So this is my second game with him and I recorded a previous one, but all I did was just roaming the basement looking for victims, and I just had a short chase in 10 minutes in a 10 minutes game. Because I was completely lost in the basement, I didn't know the map, so I discarded that game, unfortunately. But yeah, I was able to do a couple of kills in this one, and hope you enjoy. So they literally spawn right next to you. Wow, okay, well, that was fast. What? Oh man, I was focusing the other guy so much. I didn't even... Oh, this is bad for him, yeah. He tried to stun me with the door. Like, he wanted to stun me, but he got, body blocked into the corner. Yeah, you need to be more careful with that. He really wanted to stun me. And that didn't go well for him. So, I saw another guy, and I was aiming for him, but I don't know where he went. Oh, okay, well, damn. He went outside, and fast too. Yeah. Why are we all here? I thought they were chasing someone. Nah, this is not good. I think somebody's outside already. 100%. Don't know where though. Damn, I thought I saw somebody, instead it was my shadow, I think. I'm hearing noises, but I don't even see my teammates right now. Oh, they're both over there. What? Nah, I need to go here. Come on. Can Leatherface turn on generators? I wonder. Also, nobody really fed Grandpa. That's not ideal. Okay. Yeah, I wonder what my teammates are doing. Like, if the victims are running free like this. Okay, I got her a bit, but I can't follow her over there because of the stairs. I'm trying to level up Grandpa, but I'm the only one doing that, so it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna... no, this is the wrong way. I wanted to go on the front exit. I don't know where it is. Don't know the way. Maybe from here? Why are they going together? Like, it's very bad. Because it's gonna be, you know... They're gonna count like one person if they keep roaming around together. It's like... as if we were two instead of three. I'm gonna check the rear exit. Because usually that goes unchecked quite a lot. Nice, I think it's good. Another thing that makes survivors or victims really hard to see is the auto adjustment of the lights. Like when you go from, you know, a very bright place to another, there is this light adjustment and you can't see anything. Like even now you can notice it a bit. Like when I'm looking at you know, the bright, something very bright, and then I look at the shadows, like all the screen goes black. Basement exit open. Oh, that's not good. Somebody's there. I think they went just here right now. No. No. This was the cook. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kinda lost. Also, I don't know where the basement exit is, to be fair. Oh. Maybe that's the exit, but wasn't it open? Like, I'm confused. But nobody escaped, like... I don't understand. Like, if that door was open, why they didn't leave? Yeah, see, I can't see anything now. Okay. Like, if I'm staying in the shadow, I see a bit better. But if I go under the sun, I can't see anything. I don't know if it's my graphic options or if it's the game intended to be that way. Yeah. I got him a bit, but I can't do much if they, you know, run that way. I mean, I could go here, but realistically, they're just gonna go upstairs again. So, I might as well just stay here, and hopefully, you know, my teammates get them, like... I don't know. I haven't played the other guy yet, but I'm not really enjoying Leatherface that much. Like, I enjoy the hiker much more, the hitchhiker. Like, Leatherface is a bit, you know... Also, Leatherface is very punishing. Like, as you can see, I missed my chainsaw. I immediately get stun locked. They're trying to... yeah, they stopped the gen. This is bad. Oh, right. Well... yeah, that was very bad from me. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, she's out. I forgot to turn on my chainsaw. Because every time you miss, you need to turn it back on. Yeah, she's out. Yeah. I see the other guy, but he has plenty of time to hide himself. Yeah, I'm out of stamina. Yeah, Leatherface is kinda hard to use. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is my second game, so of course I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes, but he's kinda hard to use. He's very punishing. And yeah. I don't really know about the cook yet, but... I remember there was a passage. Yeah, yeah. Wait, can you just get out? Alright, yeah, okay. I need to learn this because I'm used to the Dead by Daylight chainsaw, which has a wide range, but with this one, it's like, you know, it's like a swipe from upside down. Like you need to, you know, you need to hit them exactly where they are, otherwise you're gonna miss the shot, and yeah, and you're fucked. It's very punishing, Leatherface, again. But possibly it's also the, you know, the most fun one, just because of how hard it is. It's hard to master, but it may be a good thing, you know. Because at the end of the day, like, if you play the Hitchhiker a lot, like, all you're gonna do is just, you know, spamming your M1 for the most, and it's not really, you know, rewarding in a way, maybe, because, you know, he's stronger doing other stuff, but not really in killing the victims. Yeah, I don't see him. How many people left? One? Okay. I don't even remember how many escaped. One or two? Does it show? No. Because they disconnected, so... Oh. Oh, she's here. Yeah, I think they got it. Oh, wow. And I forgot to rev my chainsaw again after I killed the guy, so... Damn, yeah, okay. Still, I got 2 kills. Legit. GG's.